Well, today I'm going to attempt to make a couple of test sockets. And my plan is to use these 8-pin octal bases. And I have a matching socket that I plan on attaching to these bases. Of course, line up the number 1 pin. But I plan on soldering them to the base. First, I'm going to remove these mounting lugs off the socket. Won't need them, get them out of the way. Well, that wasn't too bad. Got those off. So now, hopefully they'll go down in there, but I don't know. It's going to be a tight fit. And these sockets, they're marked on the back here. 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 8. So there's 1 and 8. And we'll line these up. There we go. There, I got it. Okay. Just had to use a little force, but they're in there. So, all right, good deal. Have a couple of possibilities now. Have this type connector, and this type. Not a lot of difference in them. I think, well, this one looks like it's larger, the one on the right there. So I'll probably try it first. I've got plenty of both types. I just brought enough up here to hopefully do it all. So that's going to go down on there. Solder it right there. Of course, bend it over. And then I'll solder the leads down into the base. And I think that'll work. Let's see what it's going to look like here. All right, need to turn it over. I think it'll work. There we go. That's plenty of spacing, and they're tight too, so when I get them soldered, there should be plenty of spacing there for test leads. Alright, I got the terminals soldered in and bent over, so that's what it'll look like from the top. Got to try to fit this socket into the base and solder it, and we'll have the first one finished. Well, I think soldering those terminals on there stiffened up those wire or those leads, and they fit right down in the base. So all I have to do now is just to solder them into the pins, and that one is finished. Alright, number 1 is done. There's what it looks like. And I'm going to take a Sharpie and I'll mark pin 1. There's the indent for pins 1 and 8 right there. That should work. There's the 2 test sockets. And this one I've already marked pins 1 and pin 8. Have to mark the other one. That should have it. Just put some black electrical tape around the center of the connections there. But there's the 2 sockets completed. Here's one place where these test sockets will really come in handy. This high voltage board on this Montgomery Ward TV that I'm working on. You can see it's fastened to the main board. it won't tip up enough to, that's as far as it will tip up. So you can get in there to measure any kind of voltages or resistance on the tubes. So with this test socket, I can just plug it in here on the top. And there's my pins. There's pin 1, pin 8, have them marked. So it's going to make it a lot easier. We hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, and we'd love it if you would subscribe to our channel. Thanks.